어머니, 어머니. This is the Korean term for mother. Again, 어머니 is mother. Next word is oppa. Again, it's oppa. This is used to say brother, and this is more likely used by a younger sister to call his older brother. Next word is young. Again, it's young. This is another way to say brother, but this is used by a younger brother. Again, young means brother. Next word is 언니. Again, it's 언니. And this is used to say sister, and this is used by a younger sister. Again, 언니 is used to call your older sister if you are a girl. Next is 누나. Again, it's 누나. And this is used to call your older sister if you are a younger brother. Again, 누나 means older sister. Next word is 언제. Again, it's 언제. And this is used to ask when. So if you're asking about a date or time, you can use 언제. Next word is 오다. Again, it's 오다. And this is a verb which means to come. Again, 오다 means to come. Next word is 일어나. Again, it's 일어나. And this is used to say wake up or get up. Again, 일어나 is used to say wake up or get up. Next word is 오늘. Again, it's 오늘. And this is used to say today. Again, 오늘 means today. Next word is 내일. Again, it's 내일. And this is used to say tomorrow. Again, 내일 means tomorrow.